Now let's continue working on long division. Now we're going to divide 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 4 by x plus 2. And what is our first step? We're going to divide 2x cubed by x. And once we do that, we're going to get 2x squared. And we put it up top over here. That will be our quotient. Then once we have this, we can multiply 2x squared by x and 2. So 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. And 2x squared times 2 is 4x squared. Then, once we have this, we can subtract 2x cubed plus 4x squared from 2x cubed minus 4x squared. So 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, they cancel out. That's 0. And then negative 4x squared, I was going to say cubed, but negative 4x squared minus 4x squared is just negative 8x squared. Then what do we do at this point? A lot of students just get a little bit stuck once they get to this point. Well, you just bring down the x, and then you take the negative 8x squared and you divide it by x. So negative 8x squared divided by x is just negative 8x. And it goes, of course, up top over here. Then negative 8x times x is negative 8x squared. And negative 8x times 2, negative 16x. At this point, we can subtract them. Negative 8x squared minus negative 8x squared, they cancel out. Because minus a negative number makes it a plus. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. So those numbers have canceled out. Then we have x minus negative 16x, which is 17x, because 1 minus negative 16 is just 1 plus 16, which is 17. Then now we can bring down the minus 4. We can really forget about the 0. And what do we do now? Well, we're just going to take the 17x divided by x and put a 17 right. Actually, I want that to be in red just so I keep it consistent. Okay, so we have 17 because 17x divided by x is just 17. Then 17 times x is 17x, and 17 times 2 is 34. Then at this point we subtract once again. 17x minus 17 is 0, and negative 4 minus 34 is negative 38. And this is the remainder. Excellent. So now we're done, and I can write the division statement. So we'll start, of course, with the dividend. Plus x minus 4 is equal to x plus 2 times the quotient, and then finally we add the remainder, but the remainder is negative, so we have minus 38. And that's it.